Welcome to Mobile's Techland. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a 3D text in Photoshop. This is a simple 2D text that I typed in Photoshop. To create the 3D effect, first we have to duplicate the layer. Now double tap the bottom layer. A window will pop up. And don't be overwhelmed by the window. Simply go to Color Overlay. And remember, you have to tap the right side. Now you can change the opacity but keep it 100. You can also change the color but keep it black. Click OK and you are half done. Now hold Ctrl and then tap T on your keyboard. Then press down arrow once and right arrow once. Or you can press any arrow of the keyboard at any direction. Now we will simply duplicate it. But to do that we have to press Ctrl Alt Shift T together, and we have to keep pressing it again and again and again. You can see the changes and you can see how many layers we have created. So this is it. It is a very simple and easy manual tutorial to create a 3D text. I hope it helps. Thank you very much for watching.